First job of the day, we got a Rekey. Now this Rekey is a last minute move out, I guess. They didn't leave any keys, and they're all Schlage. I hate Schlage. But anyway, we're gonna rekey them. We're gonna pick them open, and then we'll rekey them. So we've got 2 3s. Come down here. 3s are 2 to 10. And we have 3 locks total. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. We have a 2, which is a 195. There's only one of those. Oops. We have a 7, which is a 270 right here. 1 2 3. It's gone. 4 225. 4 is a 225. All your numbers always are gonna be here, you know what I mean? 1 2 3. Alright, let's start with this one. You know, I did just order as well. Finally. I never did find my tool for the Schlage. You'll see eventually when I finally get my new piece, but I won't be having to do this. My tool just sits on like that and you spin it. It's a lot easier to do. Well, it's not bad. Alright, Schlage has the little spring inside too. Sometimes it doesn't come out as easy. Just gonna make sure. 3. This one, my best bet is gonna be the leash. This first one we're gonna try is the deadbolt. Same that. So Schlage has security pins in them. 3. There's a hard one. 3 for solid. But I just picked it. There we go. Number 3. Right there. This one's got a little groove right there, so you want to make sure you push through with the follower directly on there, so you make sure you get all that crap out. We're going to get our new keys. 1 2, or our new pins as well. Have a quick check of them, make sure they're flush. And you push in on a circular. Where's the edge? You see on that right side, there's a bit of a curve in there. Oh, I didn't do that quick enough. Make sure it lines up too. There we go. And there shouldn't be anyone coming to this property. So I hope this isn't an old tenant. Because that's going to be mad complicated. Get your little C-clip. Thank God. And when you have that other tool, whoops. When you have the other tool, it kind of just sits in it, you know? Let's put a bunch of sand in it. But all this sits in it, so it makes it so much easier. I just can't believe I lost it after 4 years. I was hoping it would turn out. You have to deal with this crap. There you go. And then we'll spin this guy back. Now, this is where it makes a difference, having a working key. So to remove the handle, Schlage handle, we'll go around. You need it unlocked. So if we're lucky, we can do 2 in 1 here. So just binding. Nice bit of movement. 5 is binding. A little bit of movement. And the tool pushes you back. Oh, I started to actually pick that one. Let me drop it back. Yeah, there we go. 5 is good. 3 is solid. I think it's the same as the last one, so just be very careful. Make sure you don't drop any pins as this one clicks in. It's bouncing now. Something is binding. I don't know who you are. It's got to be number 3. It was tripping on the last one. Hey, number 3. What did I say? So if I keep this in the unlock position now, be very careful. Very careful, very careful. Pull it out very careful. Bit of a pain, but keep it flat and then just give it a nice solid push with your thumb. Do not take this tail piece off because you will be replacing that piece. Good luck fixing that. Grab my tool, and he's still in the unlock position. I'm being very careful right now. I do not want to pick this lock again. Got my little bit of space. So close, there we go. Still in the unlock position. Now this one, you see that tail piece to the side, make sure that lines up perfect. You have to keep it perfect the whole time. Get my thicker side and a perfect swoop. Look at this, I rekeyed this lock already. I hardly use this pin. I never used it actually. Get your new one. 1, 2. This looks too big. Oh, I was wrong. 4, 5. Make sure it's all flush. Make sure they're all flush. And as you go back in, make sure that tail piece is facing up again to the side, right? Nice swift push. It moves side to side. That's a good sign. Keep your thumb on that pressure as you pull the key out, otherwise you're going to pull the whole thing out. And then get your C-clip back on there, right there. Just like that. That's a lock rekeyed right there. Look for your little hole. There it is. Swift push. Now because we have this key, put it back into the unlock position. Schlage is going to be to the right. And then where's my little tail piece? So that piece right there, we know that's going to line up with the hole. You might have to fiddle with it a little bit. Use a tool to push this little piece down. There you go. Keep it to the side there, always in that unlock position. You see it just click in, and you should be able to go like that. If you can't go like that, that means you've inserted this whole piece while it's in the lock position. So what you got to do is remove that, pull it all back out, put it into the unlock position, put it back together, and then you'll be able to pull it back out. I've done it multiple times. Shit happens, right? Anyway, lock number 2, done. Smart lock, same thing, pretty much as a deadbolt. You just obviously take a little bit more off when it's taking it off the door, putting it on the door. But the back of it is the same, the cylinder is the same. This one doesn't want to remove. Today would be nice. Alright, that's not even moving. So, put a little wedge under that. What I want, thank you. That's all I wanted. Same thing here. Try to keep it all together. Makes my life a little easier. This is one of those stubborn ones with a spring. But there you go. It came out.